Good morning dear students, how are you? I hope you all will be fit and fine at your home. So dear students, from Monday your classes will be start. So you all will join school from Monday. बेटा आप लोगों सभी लोगों की क्लास मंडे से शुरू हो जाएगी, तो आप सभी लोगों को मंडे से स्कूल आना है. ओके. So today I am going to complete exercise E from unit 4 section 2. So open your English book and take out your notebook also, because this exercise you all will complete in your notebook. There is no sufficient space in your book, so you all will write down this exercise in your notebook. Let's start now. Unit 4 section 2 exercise E. Use phrases in sentences. Okay, first already have been done in your book, and second is to one of the lower branches. You will use these phrases, so write down now. They tied the string for the children to one of the lower branches of mango tree. It is clear now? You will write down in your note. I am againing. They tied the string for the children to one of the lower branches of the mango tree. Note down everyone. Okay. Next point is of our giant tree. Open your book also so that you can write very easily. Second point is of our giant tree. Note down in your note. Okay. Writing should be neat and clean also. Okay. You all will pay attention on your writing. There should be no mistakes. So write very carefully. Now point number 3. You will use phrases and write down now. The leaves and branches. The leaves and branches. BRANCHES. Of our giant tree. Of our giant, GIANT. Giant means बेटा होता है big. Giant tree in the backyard. In the backyard. BACKYARD. Give a lot of shade. Give a lot of shade. Shade means छाया. SHADE. Shade to the house. To the house. It is clear now? I am repeating it again. So write down the leaves and branches of our giant tree in the backyard give a lot of shade to the house. Now complete it. Okay. Write down next point number 4. Point number 4 is under the trees. So write down under the trees. Point number 4. Under the tree. Okay, like this type you all will write in note. And now you will use the sentence for these phrases. That squirrel. That squirrel. SQUIRREL. Squirrel means glary. That squirrel is looking for nuts. Is looking for nuts. Nuts means अखरोट. ओके. लुकिंग फॉर नट्स. नट्स मीन्स बेटा दाने भी होते हैं. अंडर द ट्री. अंडर द ट्री. चेक अगेन. दैट स्क्वायरल इज लुकिंग फॉर नट्स अंडर द ट्री. इट इज क्लियर नाउ? Now write down next point. Point number 5. Into the house. Point number 5. Into the house. Into the house. You will use these phrases and write down the sentence. When it started raining. When it started raining. RAINING. Okay, when it started raining, he ran into the house. He ran into the house. Clear now? Check your sentence again. When it started raining, comma, he ran into the house. Note down everyone. Okay. Now write next point number 6. Point number 6 is over the branch. Write down over the branch. Writing should be neat and clean. Point number 6, over the branch. Write down everyone. You will use this phrases in sentence. So write down here. He tried to look. He tried, TRIED, to look over the branch of the tree. Okay, it is clear now. Next point number 7, and point number 7 is on the back of the cow. On the back of the cow. Okay, now use this phrases in sentence. So you all will write here, the cow herd. cow herd means होता है चरवाहा, जो गायों को चराता है, गायों को चराने वाला. The cow herd sat happily, second form of sit, happily, 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 on the back of the cow. On the back of the cow. Check again this sentence in your notebook. The cow herd sat happily on the back of the cow. Completed now everyone? Okay. Write down next point number 8. And point number 8 is with a wooden fence. Fence means, do you know? Fence means होता है बेटा चार दीवारी. Okay. So point number 8 is with a wooden fence. With a wooden fence. FENCE. You will use these phrases in sentence and write here, the little cottage was surrounded, SURROUNDED, surrounded with a wooden fence. Okay, any problem? I am repeating it again and check your sentence. The little cottage was surrounded with a wooden fence. It is clear now everyone? Okay, write down next point number 9. And point number 9 is why the river. So you all will use these phrases and make a sentence. Start to write here. She has been sitting SITTING, sitting by the river all evening. By the river all evening. Okay. And next point number 10 is in front of us. Point number 10 is in front of us. Completed this? Okay. and write down point number 10. Point number 10 is in front of us. In front of us. So you all will make sentence for these phrases. The huge wall of the fort. The huge wall of the fort. Fort means होता है बेटा किला. Okay, FORT fort. Fort means किला. The huge wall of the fort rose in front of us. Rose in front of us. Okay. Now write down the next point is before nightfall. Point number 11. Before nightfall. Nightfall का मतलब रात आने के पहले. Okay. And you will use these phrases in sentence and write, we were keen to climb. We were keen to climb the mountain. Climb means होता है चढ़ना. Climb the mountain. 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 Top before nightfall. Before nightfall. Write down now. Especially pay attention on your writing. Now this exercise is completed okay. You all will complete this exercise note. Okay, if you have any doubt or query, you can contact me or drop a message. And next exercise is H. Next exercise is F. Make 5 new phrases using the words in color in exercise E. I will complete this exercise in the next video. You all will complete this work in your note. I will again with you to take the next topic. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.